100 naprednih rečenica. Engleski jezik. Prije nego što počnemo, nemojte zaboraviti da kliknete na crveno dugme koje se nalazi odmah ispod ovoga videa, subscribe, kao i na malo zvono pored toga, jer time dobijate obavještenja o svim našim novim objavama upravo na vaš telefon. Dakle, naša prva rečenica za napredni nivo je It struck me as odd. Učinilo mi se čudnim. Dakle, number 1, pod 1. It struck me as odd. Number 2, pod 2. I don't want to inconvenience you. Ne želim da vam smetam. I don't want to inconvenience you. Number 3, pod 3. This is painstaking physical labor. Ovo je mukotrpan fizički rad. This is painstaking physical labor. Number 4, pod 4. I am working here temporarily. Ja ovdje radim privremeno. I am working here temporarily. Number 5, pod 5. He is a diligent worker. On je vrijedan radnik. He is a diligent worker. Number 6, pod 6. His actions are dubious and highly controversial. Njegovi postupci su sumnjivi i vrlo kontraverzni. His actions are dubious and highly controversial. Number 7, pod 7. We need to discuss the terms of my employment. Moramo razgovarati o uslovima moga zaposlenja. We need to discuss the terms of my employment. Number 8, pod 8. I received an urgent phone call this morning pertaining to the bankruptcy. Jutro sam primila hitni telefonski poziv u vezi s bankrotom. I received an urgent phone call this morning pertaining to the bankruptcy. Number 9, pod 9. There is no conclusive scientific evidence to suggest that your hypothesis is correct. Ne postoje konačni naučni dokazi koji ukazuju na to da je vaša hipoteza tačna. There is no conclusive scientific evidence to suggest that your hypothesis is correct. Number 10, pod 10. What is your occupation? Koje je vaše zanimanje? What is your occupation? Number 11, pod 11. The occupation was long and hard. Okupacija je bila duga i teška. The occupation was long and hard. Number 12, Pod 12. We did a questionnaire about climate change. Sproveli smo anketu o klimatskim promjenama. We did a questionnaire about climate change. Number 13. Pod 13. We need to separate the truth from false claims. Moramo izdvojiti istinu od lažnih tvrdnji. We need to separate the truth from false claims. Number 14. Pod 14. There is no particular reason for my visit. Ne postoji poseban razlog za moju posjetu. There is no particular reason for my visit. Number 15. Pod 15. He was a passenger on flight 309 from Denver. On je bio putnik na letu 309 iz Denvera. He was a passenger on flight 309 from Denver. Number 16. Pod 16. Travelers need to be aware of the situation in the countries they are visiting. Putnici moraju biti svjesni situacije u državama koje posjećuju. Travelers need to be aware of the situation in the countries they are visiting. Number 17. Pod 17. We need to find her underlying health issue in order to help her. Moramo pronaći njen osnovni zdravstveni problem kako bismo joj mogli pomoći. We need to find her underlying health issue in order to help her. Number 18. Pod 18. That attitude is not acceptable in the workplace. Takav stav nije prihvatljiv na radnom mjestu. That attitude is not acceptable in the workplace. Number 19. Pod 19. I could not see anything from my vantage point. Nisam ništa mogla vidjeti sa svoje tačke gledišta. I could not see anything from my vantage point. Number 20. Pod 20. Your glasses are slightly askew. Vaše naočale su malo iskrivljene. Your glasses are slightly askew. Number 21. Pod 21. The clouds obscured the moon. Oblaci su zamračili mjesec ili prikrili mjesec. The clouds obscured the moon. Number 22. Pod 22. I don't know anything about him. His life is obscure. Ne znam ništa o njemu. Njegov život je nepoznat. I don't know anything about him. His life is obscure. Number 23. Pod 23. You have helped me immensely. Neizmjerno ste mi pomogli. You have helped me immensely. Number 24. Pod 24. He is a whistleblower. On je zviždač. He is a whistleblower. Number 25. Pod 25. We are approaching our destination. Približavamo se našoj destinaciji. We are approaching our destination. Number 26. Pod 26. I want to familiarize myself with my new surroundings. Želim se upoznati sa svojim novim okruženjem. I want to familiarize myself with my new surroundings. Number 27. Pod 27. There is a heavy downpour outside. Napolju je jak pljusak. There is a heavy downpour outside. Number 28. Pod 28. The event is cancelled due to unforeseen circumstances. Događaj je otkazan zbog nepredviđenih okolnosti. The event is cancelled due to unforeseen circumstances. Number 29. Pod 29. This city was founded in 1803. Ovaj grad je osnovan 1803. godine. This city was founded in 1803. Number 30. Pod 30. I am calling to make an appointment. Zovem da rezervišem termin. I am calling to make an appointment. Number 31. Pod 31. I am going to cancel our reservations for tonight. Ja ću otkazati naše rezervacije za večeras. I am going to cancel our reservations for tonight. Number 32. Pod 32. They have recovered financially. Financijski su se oporavili. They have recovered financially. Number 33. Pod 33. She was very impolite at the dinner. Bila je veoma nepristojna na večeri. She was very impolite at the dinner. Number 34. Pod 34. They went out of business. Propao im je biznis. They went out of business. Number 35. Pod 35. Stranger things have occurred. Čudnije stvari su se dogodile. Stranger things have occurred. Number 36. We were outnumbered 5-1. Pod 36. Bili smo nadmašeni 5:1. We were outnumbered 5-1. Number 37, pod 37. I bumped into Nina on my way home from work. Nabasala sam na Ninu na putu kući s posla. I bumped into Nina on my way home from work. Number 38, pod 38. There are surveillance cameras everywhere nowadays. Nadzorne kamere se ovih dana nalaze svagdje. There are surveillance cameras everywhere nowadays. Number 39, pod 39. She was eavesdropping on our conversation. Ona je prisluškivala naš razgovor. She was eavesdropping on our conversation. Number 40, pod 40. I want to reserve a table for two. Želim da rezervišem sto za dvoje. I want to reserve a table for two. Number 41, pod 41. I am sure of myself. Sigurna sam u sebe. I am sure of myself. Number 42, pod 42. I made a wrong turn accidentally. Slučajno sam pogrešno skrenula. I made a wrong turn accidentally. Number 43, pod 43. I acquired this in Europe. Ovo sam nabavila u Evropi. I acquired this in Europe. Number 44, pod 44. My research paper will be published soon. Moj istraživački rad će uskoro biti objavljen. My research paper will be published soon. Number 45, pod 45. I am calling to cancel my appointment. Zovem da otkažem svoj termin. I am calling to cancel my appointment. Number 46, pod 46. Our final exam was postponed. Odgođen nam je završni ispit. Our final exam was postponed. Number 47, pod 47. She does not take well to criticism. Ona ne prihvata kritiku dobro. She does not take well to criticism. Number 48, pod 48. You are capable of many great things. Ti si sposoban za mnoge velike stvari. You are capable of many great things. Number 49, pod 49. I don't want to talk to that obnoxious person. Ne želim da razgovaram sa tom odvratnom osobom. I don't want to talk to that obnoxious person. Number 50, pod 50. I am not a vindictive person. Nisam osvetoljubiva osoba. I am not a vindictive person. Number 51. Pod 51. This place is desolate. Ovo mjesto je pusto. This place is desolate. Number 52. Pod 52. Tom is fastidious. Tom je predvidljiv. Tom is fastidious. Number 53. Pod 53. She is a considerate individual. Ona je obzirna individua. She is a considerate individual. Number 54. Pod 54. Be mindful of your words. They can affect others. Budi svjesna svojih riječi. One mogu da utiču na druge. Be mindful of your words. They can affect others. Number 55. Pod 55. I am acquainted with Nina. Upoznata sam sa Ninom. I am acquainted with Nina. Number 56. Pod 56. He is familiarized with the rules. On je upoznat sa pravilima. He is familiarized with the rules. Number 57. Pod 57. I am accustomed to this way of life. Ja sam navikla na ovakav način života. I am accustomed to this way of life. Number 58. Pod 58. She persuaded me into participating in the race. Nagovorila me je da učestvujem u trci. She persuaded me into participating in the race. Number 59. Pod 59. I like meticulous people. Ja volim pedantne osobe. I like meticulous people. Number 60. Pod 60. He is conscientious. On je savjestan. He is conscientious. Number 61. Pod 61. This is painstaking work that we are doing. Ovo je mukotrpan posao koji mi radimo. This is painstaking work that we are doing. Number 62. Pod 62. I like him. He is very attentive. Sviđa mi se. On je veoma pažljiv. I like him. He is very attentive. Number 63. Pod 63. Voting is our civic duty. Glasanje je naša građanska dužnost. Voting is our civic duty. Number 64. Pod 64. He is very repulsive. On je veoma odbojan. He is very repulsive. Number 65. Pod 65. Her behavior is appalling. Njeno ponašanje je užasno. Her behavior is appalling. Number 66. Pod 66. That dress is horrendous. Ta haljina je užasna. That dress is horrendous. Number 67. Pod 67. That is abominable. To je gnusno. That is abominable. Number 68. Pod 68. That smells heavenly. To miriše božanstveno. That smells heavenly. Number 69. Pod 69. We parked in the vicinity of the school. Parkirali smo se u blizini škole. We parked in the vicinity of the school. Number 70. Pod 70. That did coincide with our visit. To se podudarilo sa našom posjetom. That did coincide with our visit. Number 71. Pod 71. This medicine will abate your fever. Ovaj lijek će vam smanjiti temperaturu. This medicine will abate your fever. Number 72. Pod 72. Her intentions are benevolent. Njene namjere su dobronamjerne. Her intentions are benevolent. Number 73. Pod 73. I think that he is perceptive. Ja mislim da je on pronicljiv. I think that he is perceptive. Number 74. Pod 74. We need to capitalize on this opportunity. Moramo iskoristiti ovu priliku. We need to capitalize on this opportunity. Number 75. Pod 75. She capitalized this opportunity. Ona je iskoristila ovu priliku. She capitalized this opportunity. Number 76. Pod 76. I have animosity towards them. Imam animozitet prema njima. I have animosity towards them. Number 77. Pod 77. Can you facilitate our conversation? Možete li vi olakšati našu komunikaciju? Can you facilitate our conversation? Number 78. Pod 78. Her deference towards others shows she is a good person. Njeno poštovanje prema drugima pokazuje da je dobra osoba. Her deference towards others shows she is a good person. Number 79. Pod 79. A signal is being emitted from an unknown location. Signal se emituje iz nepoznate lokacije. A signal is being emitted from an unknown location. Number 80. Pod 80. She has endured a lot. Ona je dosta toga izdržala. She has endured a lot. Number 81. Pod 81. What does that entail? Šta to podrazumijeva? What does that entail? Number 82. Pod 82. We are talking about a hypothetical situation. Pričamo o hipotetičkoj situaciji. We are talking about a hypothetical situation. Number 83. Pod 83. What is your hypothesis? Koja je vaša hipoteza? What is your hypothesis? Number 84. Pod 84. This is abuse of power. Ovo je zloupotreba moći. This is abuse of power. Number 85. Pod 85. That was a decisive move. To je bio odlučujući potez. That was a decisive move. Number 86. Pod 86. Is this food edible at all? Da li je ova hrana uopšte jestiva? Is this food edible at all? Number 87. Pod 87. How many garments do you have? Koliko odjevnih predmeta imate? How many garments do you have? Number 88. Pod 88. Gatherings are not allowed at the moment. Okupljanja trenutno nisu dozvoljena. Gatherings are not allowed at the moment. Number 89. Pod 89. He makes fun of everyone because he is nefarious. On se svima ismijava jer je opak. He makes fun of everyone because he is nefarious. Number 90. Pod 90. A great leader is generous. Veliki je vođa velikodušan. A great leader is generous. Number 91. Pod 91. A good leader should be magnanimous. Dobar vođa treba da bude velikodušan. A good leader should be magnanimous. Number 92. Pod 92. This is a charitable event. Ovaj događaj je dobrotvoran. This is a charitable event. Number 93. Pod 93. They are going to collaborate on a new project. Oni će sarađivati na novom projektu. They are going to collaborate on a new project. Number 94. Pod 94. He does not want to cooperate. On ne želi da sarađuje. He does not want to cooperate. Number 95. Pod 95. They toil all day. Teško rade cijeli dan. They toil all day. Number 96. Pod 96. I am perplexed. I have no idea what is going on. Zbunjena sam, nemam pojma šta se dešava. I am perplexed. I have no idea what is going on. Number 97. Pod 97. His behavior is capricious. Njegovo ponašanje je kapriciozno. His behavior is capricious. Number 98. Pod 98. This is just a generalization of the issue. To je samo generalizacija problema. That is just a generalization of the issue. Number 99. Pod 99. I had a fortuitous encounter a couple of days ago. Prije nekoliko dana sam imala slučajni susret. I had a fortuitous encounter a couple of days ago. I naša 100. rečenica je Number 100. This will only exacerbate the problem. Ovo će samo pogoršati problem. This will only exacerbate the problem.